I'm here with this 2004 Chevy Blazer custom show truck. Very expensive $2,000 billet aluminum custom rims. Very straight body. No accidents. Glass is all excellent. Ram air hood. Custom headlights. One split right here in the front bumper. About 3 inches long. Fiberglass repair can fix that. Just a gorgeous, gorgeous truck. The rims, that black stuff you see is packing grease, so it's not curved there. If you see anything that looks a little funky, it's been raining, so there's a lot of little rain droplets on the cars and tires and rims here. So, one spot right there. You can see just a little blemish in the molding. Tinted windows, custom taillights, LED turn signals. This is the worst part of the truck because there's a little dent in the tailgate there, if you can see it. Not the end of the world, certainly repairable, just kind of is what it is. Whole truck is done right. I mean, it's awesome. And look how wide those tires are. I mean, that is just killer. We got a great key fob for it with, you know, obviously the doors are shaved. So, we hit number 1, and you can see we just popped the door. And then this is pretty cool too, it has remote start. So, see if I'm doing it right. Might not be standing at the right angle. Alright. Oh, pretty. Let me get it with the door closed. I'll show you this again. There we go. So that was the door popping. Let's try the remote start. Maybe the door has to be closed. Let's do something. I still have to learn this thing. Either way, it has remote start. We'll get it figured out for you. Pop it open. Wait till you hear this engine. Interior is very clean. This is the best part. Pop in the key, turn it. CD, full custom stereo. No check engine light, ABS lights, or anything like that. Just awesome. Here's under the hood. Super clean. You can see they got a K&N cold air kit here. It's like a newer interstate battery. Super, super clean. Smooth idle, excellent operating temperature. Let's throw it in gear and go for a drive. I'm going to roll down the window so you can hear it. Air blows ice cold. And we'll get on it a little bit here. fast. Just wild. This thing is a blast to drive. Everything's super, super smooth and tight. I don't have a bad thing to say about this truck. You'll absolutely love it. Just over 100,000 miles. Obviously, it's been loved and cared for. Total custom sound system. This truck is just a blast. Thanks for checking out the video. If you have any questions, give me a call, shoot me a text. I'm always available. Take care.